Hey cachers, Derek here, Baker 6 Clan. Today I am still down here in Savannah, and you know what? I love Trackables, and you know what I have found? I have found a perfect travel bug hotel. All right, stay tuned. So this one's pretty easy to find. I mean, I'm in a parking lot of a hotel, and there's a big box, and it has the code on it, GC4GTE. So there's your GC code if you want to find this one. This is in Savannah. And let's open this thing up and let's see what's inside. Oh man, how cool is that? It's a hotel. I mean, look at this thing. We have a reception area right here. We have a room right here. That's just, it's a hotel. And all these boxes. All right, let's see if there's actually any travel bugs in here, because as you know, travel bugs go missing all the time. And this is a premium cache, so it's a prime spot for travel bugs. As I've told you before, best place to put travel bugs if you want to keep them going is in a premium cache. So all right, here we go. Let's see what we got. All right, so for my Canadian friends, hey, there's a great Canadian flag. And by the way, if you see a code on here, go ahead and discover it, because there's going to be plenty. Okay, so this is one of RangerDoc's caches down here in Savannah. Doc, what a great travel bug hotel. I've never seen one like this. Now tell me a little bit about this one.
All right, the design behind it was, of course, from I got from WB Tim's TB Hotel in West Virginia. So if you found that one, which is also off a major travel corridor, then you'll recognize this one. So the actual exterior interior design I got from it, the reception area and the actual hotel room, more of a lodge type style room, definitely a little different. So come see this one. But we talked about geocaches and locations, and geocaches bringing you to that location for a reason other than the cache itself being in the location. We're going to talk about travel bug hotel locations. You look around here, there's nothing really special about this location other than the fact that it is on a really major travel corridor, and the purpose of this travel bug hotel is to keep those travel bugs moving. It's the whole purpose of travel bug hotel. You don't want them travel bugs to sit stagnant at some cache out on some river somewhere for a year. You want to keep them travel bugs moving. And this travel bug hotel is actually within a half a mile of the Interstate 95 north-south corridor. We got the entrance to the Savannah International Airport right behind me. And it's literally, if you're traveling and you don't have an access to a vehicle or whatnot, and you're staying in a hotel on a layover, business or whatnot, this travel bug hotel is literally within a quarter-mile walking distance of at least 12 hotels. So it gets a lot of traffic. It's a real busy travel bug hotel. It literally gets hit daily. There's probably anywhere from 20 to 30 travel bugs in it right now. And this one definitely has some money invested in it. This box wasn't cheap, I ain't gonna lie to you. But a good travel bug hotel doesn't have to be this elaborate, but the location does matter. You want it somewhere that's on a travel corridor, that, you know, it can be an ammo can, it could be a big lock and lock, but you want it somewhere where the travel bugs are gonna get in, get out. You gotta keep them travel bugs moving.
All right, so once again, another great cache by RangerDoc. Dude, I've never seen an actual one of these hotel like this. I've been looking for one. All the ones I've ever found did not have travel bugs in them. They've all been taken away.
Log,
and there's a log, a passport log, because we're right here by the airport. So just a lot of great thought and really cool. Something the kids will love coming out and seeing this one. All right. So
we got our perpetually chilling travel bug also. Y'all can feel free to discover that one if you can see it.
Right, discover that one. Actually, that's probably right there on the screen. All right, so hey, this is the first time you've seen Behind the Cache, click that subscribe button right over here. Give me a thumbs up. I gotta take this call here in a minute, but I'm gonna let that go to hold. But hey, I'll see you next time right here on Behind the Cache. Hey cachers, Derek here, Baker 6 Clan. Hey, okay, it stopped recording on me.
Uh-oh.
I don't know where it stopped.